Hello, have a nice day to you all. We are from Blossoms Family YouTube channel. This is our online earning playlist. So the special phase of this playlist is online earning through crypto assets. So these videos especially for our crypto group and for the members update regarding the market, daily market movements. So we are trying to upload videos based on the movements of the markets. But we want to update our members according to that. So that's why we are trying to upload videos related to this playlist, and especially its special phase. Today, if we are watching the market, what we see, the Bitcoin price is still up and down around 50,000. One time it has been touched 46k, 46,000 level also, then again came up. What is this importance of this level? We call this important zone because there, that time, this level, many people they want to buy bitcoins because it's a huge dump. So according to this time, so that's why many are starting buying. So due to that, the price is going up, means pump again step by step. So that's why what is we are watching the on the market is this movement. But it is, we cannot say completely it's a bull run, because sometimes it could be come more down, maybe a bear run. So bear down could be happen. So if you trading on this, must put a stop loss for any direction. So also what we see with the altcoin, when Bitcoin trend is going up, altcoin also going to up. But it's on special reasons, some altcoins are going to will be going up, because now there is a huge news regarding Dogecoin, because next week, within a week of time, within a 1 week period of time, the Coinbase, the premier wallet in the world, one of the premium wallet in the world is Coinbase. Everybody knows that this Coinbase is going to list the Dogecoin there. And also CEXIO already going to list Dogecoin there. So this huge news, big news. So according to that, Dogecoin price will be gone high again, because now already we saw after the tweet of Elon Musk on the that last week, he's at the within his show, celebrity show, the Dogecoin price began to dump, but now again it is pumping. So we expecting a huge pump on coming days. So keep your eyes on Dogecoin price. If possible, you can hold more Dogecoins this moment, because now the price is already down level. It's already reached to 50 cents. Now it's we wish it will be go up. So it's better to you watch, but every time manage your risk, do everything within the safety levels. Okay, so this is our update for the market, crypto market today. So thank you very much. We will meet again with a new video according to the movements of the market on coming periods of times. I am Suraj Chamar from Blossoms Family YouTube channel. This is our online playlist and a special page of videos for our crypto group. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.